Barkada. I'm Marie.
And I'm Joy.
Today is Spaghetti Day!
Spaghetti! Spaghetti!
Spaghetti! Thank you, Mama Remy, for sharing this special Filipino spaghetti recipe.
Ito ang paborito ng mga bata at matanda sa mga birthday parties. Kasi manamis-namis to, Mari.
And here are the ingredients. We need 2 pounds ground beef, sliced Filipino hot dogs, and also we grated some like 1.5 cups of the hot dog.
We will also need 2 cans of tomato sauce, 1 whole bottle of banana sauce or banana ketchup. Right here, we're using Jufran today. We have 1 red bell pepper, finely chopped, half cup brown sugar, 1 medium-sized onion, chopped, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, salt and pepper to taste, and of course we need spaghetti pasta. This will not be a Filipino spaghetti because without
The banana
sauce
ketchup and the hot dog.
the hot dogs. Yes. Let's go. Spaghetti, spaghetti, spaghetti.
We are going to saute the onions first and then brown the meat. So,
We will need oil.
yep, we will need oil. And how about you, Joy?
So while you're going to start with that, I'm going to start boiling our pasta water. And then I'll just watch you.
So let's saute. This is 1 medium-sized onion. Thank you. Looks so much, right?
Yeah. Lots of meat.
So we brown this a little bit and then we will add the ground hot dog and the sliced Filipino hot dog.
With Filipino spaghetti, you can never go wrong with
Right.
this recipe. I like mine really sweet.
Yeah.
I don't know, somehow.
Me
Kulang
too.
siya.
Yeah. So now we will turn it off and then we will drain out the fats or the oil. So
Yes, so
we'll be back.
it's a lot of fat, so
Yeah,
I'll
right?
drain it.
So let it cool a little bit and then we will drain it. We're draining out the oil. So much.
Remove that oil, we don't need that.
So now we put back the meat in the pan and I'm going to add the hot dogs.
The grated hot dog.
The grated hot dogs and the sliced
Okay, so
hot
together.
dog. Yep,
Oh,
together.
Marie, our water is boiling.
Yay! Okay, so you
So,
can,
we can,
while I'm doing this, you can
wow.
cook the pasta.
So we will add lots of salt for our pasta.
And do you add the oil, Joy?
We do not add the oil because since we're using Barilla, we do not need to
To
put
add the
oil.
oil. Okay. It has the durum wheat.
Yes.
So you don't need to add oil.
So we'll just drop. Whoa, okay. So
Oh, I keep on stirring, sorry. Okay.
okay. So we're just going to let the pasta cook to al dente.
So how many minutes is that, Joy?
I don't know, 7 minutes?
Yeah, I think 7 minutes is okay. 6 to 8.
She follows the
Yeah.
instructions. So
6 to
minutes.
7.
6 to 7 minutes. Yay!
Minutes.
That was just my guess.
So that's why you don't follow the directions, you know. And after this, we add the tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. Coming right up. Just put it in.
Yeah.
And then another one. Are we putting
the jus from to the banana
banana
sauce
sauce.
or ketchup? All this time, I call it banana ketchup.
Yeah. I think I call it banana ketchup too. But it's actually banana sauce.
Have you tried the banana ketchup? It's yummy. It's sweet. It's sweet.
So we'll put the whole bottle in there. Not the whole amount. Not the whole bottle, like the whole sauce, banana sauce. And this gives the sweetness. And we will add more sugar too.
10-arm exercise.
And this is Filipino spaghetti. Wow. So I'm gonna check my pasta. Let's just see. We have to make it to boil again.
And while you're checking, I'm going to add the red bell pepper.
Cover.
And then after adding the sugar and the soy sauce, we will simmer this for 1 hour.
1 hour.
That means we have to wait to eat 1 hour.
Okay.
Okay, we can
I'm pretty
get
sure
the-
it's gonna be worth it. Add this?
Yeah.
How about the soy sauce?
Yes. Yeah. You can pour it in.
Okay.
Mix and sauce. And Mommy Remy said that the reason why she puts the soy sauce so it won't be like too red, the color. So
And
it
it
will
balance
be-
the color and the taste.
Do you wanna taste it? If we need to add salt.
Sure.
It's really good already.
A few moments later.
So our pasta noodles are now done. We will set this aside and we will wait for the sauce till it gets done.
So for the sauce, we will let it simmer for an hour uncovered. And the reason for that is so that it will not get easily spoiled.
That's right. Para hindi mapanis kasi gumamit tayo ng tomato sauce. Kailangan lutong-luto ang tomato sauce natin.
Okay, so that it will last longer.
Let's wait.
1 hour.
Alright, Maria, looks like our sauce is now ready. So we'll just pour it here.
You can just like there.
Okay. So we'll just spread it on top. I can't wait to taste this. Okay, let's add more hot dog. Can you move a little bit to that side?
Here? Okay.
So
Do you want
one
me to
more.
pour it?
No,
No.
let's save some of the sauce.
Oh yeah, we can save the sauce.
We can save the sauce.
So this was after 1 hour.
Yes, 1 hour. If you have cheese, you can put some grated cheese on top. Any cheese you like. We like sharp cheddar cheese would be fine. Na ang ating Filipino spaghetti.
So Joy, how did you like our spaghetti?
I really love it, Marie. Thank you so much, Mommy Remy, for sharing that secret recipe. Now it's not secret anymore. I love it, and I'm pretty sure my girls will love it too.
Yeah, tomorrow
And
you
of
can
course,
serve it,
yes,
right?
and of course, our viewers would love that to try that spaghetti.
So
Filipino.
please try it, and while you're trying, you can also click like, share, subscribe.
And hit that notification bell. See you guys next time.
Bye.
Spaghetti, spaghetti.
It's really good already. Do we need salt or sugar? What do we need to add?
I don't know.